Alright, welcome back to the video on Shortcodes Ultimate. So since the last video, I've just added 5 more project pages, exactly the same as the one we did, so nothing new there. But what I am going to do now is I'm going to go into our media library, and we're going to format some of these pictures because we're going to use them on other pages. So all the photos I'm going to use for feature images, I'm going to just click on this one, for instance, and make sure that it says something, the title says something, you know, it looks nice and it makes sense. So this one is a software office, so I've called it software office. The slide link, you're going to enter the page URL. So it's going to be just your domain / whatever the page is called that it's on. Any space gets filled with a hyphen. If you're not sure what it is, you can go to that page. So the software office is here. Edit it. Up here there's a full URL link, so you can just copy that, go to the media library, so for that image, if you don't want to put the shortcut which I just put, you can just cut and paste the whole thing. So we're going to do that for all the feature images here, which is this one I've chosen here. So law office, same thing, law office -2. This one I've actually called something different, so I'll call that. So title, slide link, title, slide link there, and title, slide link on that one too. So now we've got all these images that we're going to use formatted. I'm going to go to all my pages. I'm going to go to my featured projects page. I'm going to edit that. I'm going to put a new shortcode in, another slider. I'm going to change things a little bit here though, but first of all we'll add the images, and if you just hit Control as you're adding images, you can add more than one. So let's pick these 6 images that we just formatted, add them. So we're going to change this. Instead of saying lightbox, we're going to add it to slide link, which that means whenever anyone clicks on that picture, it's going to take us to that page. And same window. I've increased the height up to 460 because I just wanted to take up more of the page. Responsive, yes. This time I'm going to show the titles, so yes. Center, yes. Arrows, everything's the same. For the rest of it, insert the shortcode. Update. View the page. And so now on this featured projects page, we have a slider that's going to show through, or it's going to slide through one image from each of these projects. And if we click on any of these images as they go through, it'll take us to that page. So the family restaurant page, where we have a couple pictures of the different family restaurant project. So there we've added a slider and we formatted the images, so when we click on the image it'll take us to a specific page, and also we've formatted it so that we can show the title here so people know what it is. So we're going to do again something similar to this but on a different page, just showing a different layout. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. We're going to go to pages again. We're going to go to our portfolio page that we created. We're going to edit that. So whereas the last featured projects page just shows, you know, a couple of them or one at a time in the slider, this one we're actually going to show all of them. So let's see what we do here. We're going to add a shortcode, and this time we're going to do a gallery and select image source from the media library. I'm going to pick the exact same images, that way, because these are formatted, So same thing. When people click on the actual image, they're going to go to the project page. So select these. Same thing, slide link, same window. We're going to make these, I don't know, 400 by 200, let's say, each picture. Also, we'll show titles always. Insert the shortcode. Update. View the page. There. So now this page, instead of showing them in a slider, shows them in a little, grid here. And you can change the size of each of these images. If you want to, like, here we can edit this page, and within this shortcode, it'll say the size, custom width, custom height. So we can change that. Let's say we want to make it a bit wider. We want to do 600 and 250. We want to make the pictures a bit bigger. Update that. View the page. There. Now we've made them a bit too wide, so 2 will fit in each column, but you get the idea. You can change the size of them, and then again, if you click on each of these images, it'll take you to that project page. So another thing you can do with a gallery image, like maybe you want to put one of these in your widgets. So you can go to your widgets. So maybe in the first column, you don't really like that recent video anymore. You want to get rid of that. You can delete it. And you can add Shortcodes Ultimate. First one, add widget. And let's make this a portfolio as well. Insert shortcode, gallery, select images. We'll pick the same images again. Limit slide link, same window. We're going to want to change the width of these because they're going to fit in a small little widget instead. So let's make them squares, 60 by 60. Show titles maybe on mouse over instead. Insert shortcode, save. And let's see how that looks. So there you go. Down in the widget area here, you can see we've got a little gallery there that shows our portfolio, and when we hover over it, it shows the different title.